In this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Miro. In order to do that, first head over to Miro.com and proceed to sign up by entering right here your work email or your Gmail account. From in there, proceed to click on this sign up free. Now, if you already have an account, just click on this login. You also need to do these options into the Trello since you need to sign up from there as well. Now, here is my Miro board. So what we can do is we first need to head over or head back from our actual Miro dashboard by clicking onto this Miro homepage. Once you're on your dashboard, you should be able to see these options that we have right here. So what we can do is we just need to integrate this into our actual theme or into our actual Trello. You can utilize these options that we have right here. You can click onto this GIF icon. And in here you can see the invites option, or you can also click on your profile icon right there. And you can see these apps as well as this Miro Marketplace. Proceed to click on this option right here. And then after that, click onto the search bar and let's search in here for Trello. Once you search that, you can see this right here. So let's proceed to click onto this right there. You can either add task cards from Trello directly to Miro or attach a Miro boards to Trello cards to save time. So just choose which one you need as well. So I'll head over and choose in here this. After that, head over and then proceed to add it right here. Let's scroll down and then click onto this upgrade option right here. So to take note that in order to integrate these two together, you need to have a paid subscription. So once you have done that, you can actually upgrade and then connect those two together in order to actually add and integrate your Trello into your actual Miro right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.